Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install Git in your device and how to open a GitHub account. Quickly, we can check before setup whether we have Git in our device or not. So from any terminal, from Git bash, command prompt, from VS Code terminal, or wherever you want. So you can just type Git, and you will see Git bash. By clicking this, you will open a screen to type Git codes. For example, I want to check my Git version. And when I type, I see that I have Git version 2.38.1. If you don't have any, or if you have lower version of this, still you can update it by following me. So what is next? Open a browser, which one you want, then type Git, only Git in your search engine. Then you will see Git official website here. Click this one. Here is Git official website, and I am recommended to use this Windows link because my device is Windows. So if your own is Mac or something else, still you can have these options here. So I continue with this link, download for Windows. And Windows has two options again, 32-bit or 64-bit. My device is 64, and most probably your device as well. 64 is the new version, and 64-bit setup package is coming. After having this exe file, I will click this one and continue setup Windows. So it's okay now. And going to ask me whether I allow. Yes, I allow to use this package. And next, I see this install package, install Windows. I can click this one and just next. And install. Okay. Setup Windows Engineer. Okay, so I have some other open packages. Yes, I close my terminal and continue. So after completing this installation, my Git will be ready. So it's not complicated, it's very easy and straightforward, and you can complete with this. After completing this installation, I'm going to go back and check again whether my Git version is updated or not. So you can do the same. Okay, it's coming. So all remaining part of Git we are going to learn in the lesson, but now I want you to be ready and come with install package so that we'll not waste our time during our lesson. Okay, now finished. And okay, I must whether I want to open Git bash or not. So far, I don't want because I can open manually, so it's finished. So my VS Code is here because I used it earlier. That's why it's coming. It's not necessary, so don't mind. And next, I come back again in my search button. This time, I just write cmd so that I will check in command prompt. In command prompt, again, I have this black screen. I write git status, git version. With this git version, again, I check my version in my device, so which is git version 2.38.1. So you must be the same. So that's all for Git. So next, how to open a GitHub account is also important and we need. So this time I write just GitHub or GitHub in my search engine. So this is GitHub official website. I click this one. So because I have an account, it took me to my GitHub account, but I want to sign out so that I want to launch where you will see. This is most probably you are going to come. So this is to open, to sign up new GitHub account. So click this one to sign up. So now we are gonna create new GitHub account. So you need an email, valid email for that. So for example, something like this, klmhg whatever at xyz.com. Okay, as you see, it's green. If it's green, means it's never used. So you can use this email address. Once you click continue, you will be asked for a password. For the password, it's good to write one uppercase, one lowercase, a number at least, and a character so that your password will be strong. Then you continue. After clicking continue, you will complete this installation. Then in your email box, you will get an email from GitHub. And once you click this verification email, you are good to go. So that's all for GitHub installation. Okay, so see you in the class for the remaining part. Thank you for watching. That's all.